Hello guys, I am Ranjan Mishra and today we are going to discuss some numericals on compound microscope. Okay, see the question here. A compound microscope uses an objective lens of focal length 4 cm, that is f naught is given, f naught is 4 cm, and eyepiece lens of 10 cm, that means lens eye focal length of eyepiece is 10 cm. Okay. Now an object is placed at 6 cm from the objective, that is u is given and that will be minus 6 cm. Okay. Now calculate magnifying power of compound microscope. In this question, it is not clearly mentioned that we have to calculate magnifying power for a far point case or near point case. So I am taking magnifying power for near point, and its formula is minus v upon u 1 plus d upon fe. Okay. In the question, we have u and fe. D is, as we know that final image formed at minus d and it is minus 25 cm. So we have to calculate only v, then we can calculate the magnifying power. We have the lens formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. Here we are calculating for objective lens, so it will be f naught. Put the value 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is 6, so it will be minus 6 and 1 upon 4. Okay. Now this minus minus it becomes plus. When it go to right hand side, it will be 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. Okay. On calculating, we will get v equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. We will get 12 centimeter. So just put the value and we will get the magnifying power MP. It is minus v is 12 and u is 6, 1 plus d is 25 and fe is 10. Okay. So we will get, this is 2.5 plus 3.5 into 2, it will be minus 7. So the magnifying power of this question is minus 7. Good. Now in the next section, it is said also calculate length of the microscope. Length means tube length. In fact, they are asking tube length, and we know that tube length is v plus ue. Okay. V plus ue is the tube length. We know the v. If you calculate ue, then we can get the tube length. So let us calculate ue. 1 upon ve minus 1 upon ue will be equal to 1 upon fe. Okay. So 1 upon ue will be equal to 1 upon ve minus 1 upon fe. Okay. Put the value 1 upon ue equal to, that takes here 1 upon ue equal to 1 upon ve. Ve is minus 25 centimeter, and Fe is 10 centimeter, so it will be minus 10. So on solving we will get UV equal to minus 7.414 centimeter. So tube length L is V plus UE, numerical value. So we have calculated V, it is 12 plus 7.14, so it will be 19.14 centimeter. Okay. So finally we have calculated both magnifying power and tube length. Okay, let's have next question. Okay, now discuss the next question. In a compound microscope, an object is placed at a distance of 1.5 centimeter from the objective of focal length 1.25 centimeter. That means U is given and it is minus 1.5 centimeter. Okay, and objective of focal length, no. In compound microscope, object is placed at a distance of 1.5 centimeter. Okay, U is 1.5 centimeter from objective of focal length this. Okay, F naught is given 1.25 centimeter. If eyepiece have focal length 5 centimeter, that is Fe is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, final image is formed at infinity and near point. There is two cases. In first case, final image is formed at infinity, and in second case, final image is formed at near point. Okay. We have formula for magnifying power for far point. Far point means when final image is formed at infinity, then we say that the formula will be minus V upon U into D upon Fe. That is, magnifying power will be minus V upon U and D upon Fe. This is for far point. Okay. Now, U is given 1.5 centimeter. V is not known in this question. D is known and Fe is known. Now we have the formula 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F naught. Okay, from here we can calculate 1 upon V equal to this will be 1 upon F naught minus 1 upon U, because this is minus it will be plus. Put the values. F naught is 1.25, okay, minus U is 1.5. On solving we will get value V equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So MP will be minus 7.5 upon u is 1.5 and d is 25 and fe is 5. Okay, so it will be 5 and it will be 5, 15, 5. It will be minus 25. Okay, this is for far point, and for near point we know that formula, it will be minus v upon u and 1 plus d upon fe, 1 plus d upon fe. So it will be minus 7.5 upon 1.5, 1 plus 25 upon 5, it will be 6 and 5, it will be minus 30. Okay, done the question. Thank you.